Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back at it with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 963 in a row. As always, we're on Cash App here. You can sign up for Cash App with the link in the description and get $5 for free. Also have hundreds of tutorials and videos for Cash App on my channel, so you can like and subscribe if you want to see more. So we're going to talk about Bitcoin for a little bit, get into my purchase, and then talk about a few interesting topics at the end. So Bitcoin price currently $42,215, down almost 4% today. You hate to see it, but it is what it is. Last time I looked at a Bitcoin chart or any crypto chart in general, I thought it looked pretty strong. So personally, this doesn't seem too bad to me, but always do your own research and make your own decisions. Down about 11% on the week, down about 13% on the month. So pretty rough month here, but still up 295% over the past year if you have that long-term perspective. I think when I looked at the chart, I thought, as long as we stay above like 39,000, we're chilling. But no guarantees there, of course. Let's take a look at the news here on Cash App. Morgan Stanley exec says Bitcoin is the Kenny from South Park of money. I have no idea what that means. Is Bitcoin underperforming compared to altcoins? Let's talk about that in a second. So I think that's the most interesting thing to talk about. So what I see happening in the space with all of these coins and tokens and NFTs and different projects is there's a lot of dilution. So back just a few years ago, back 5 years ago, there was only a handful of solid coins, of solid projects, and people typically put the majority of their funds into those projects. Now we see just more and more added each day, and it's like all of the funds are just getting more spread out rather than going into just Bitcoin. So I see that as a problem in the space. A lot of the stuff that is being created just isn't going to make it in the long run. Like Bitcoin is going to stick around no matter what, I believe, but sometimes it does take these brutal bear markets where Bitcoin goes down 80% from the top to kind of kill off these lower end, low grade altcoin projects that just aren't going to make it because they just can't pull through a bear market because their project is too weak. So sometimes you need the worst of times to bring out the best of times again. I hope we don't go into a situation like that, but I also see that the money is becoming more and more spread out between things rather than focused on the core solid best projects. So I don't know, that's kind of a negative that I see in the space right now. We'll just have to see what happens. Bitcoin owned 0.09021290. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details and tap confirm. Just like that, we've purchased today's Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and see how much we have now total. 0.09023587. So like I said in the last update, we're over 0.09 Bitcoin, slowly working our way to 0.1 Bitcoin now. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $3,807.3807 divided by 963 days equals a 3.95x on our investment. So still doing extremely well with the dollar cost average method. It's hard to go wrong with this method if you just keep doing it over a very long period of time. Let's go ahead and get into today's news. Sync Network has their community call today. They have it every Friday. It's in about a half hour here. So probably right after this video is posted, they'll be having that. So if you have a Sync bond, you can come into the Discord and participate into the call. Next thing, just gonna cover some NFTs that I have. We still got the Chill Frogs. Nothing much happening with that one, to be honest. Crypto bonds, like I said, join the Sync Discord. I've been creating a lot of crypto bonds. We're up to 20 crypto bonds, and I've spent a lot of money on Lazy Lions. I love the Lazy Lions community and project. I really like the artwork on this one as well. I think it's one of the strongest NFTs out there. And I like the collection that I've started to put together. I don't know if I'll be able to get any more because they're hella expensive, but I did manage to get this BTC Eyes scratched up lion with the Hawaiian shirt there down on the bottom. That was my most expensive one by far. I think it's the largest purchase I've ever made in my life. Maybe the largest investment. I've probably invested more into some things. I don't know. It's close. But yeah, Lazy Lions NFT floor price now 2.2 ETH. When I got my first one, It was for 1.11 ETH. So up over ETH on my first purchase. If you dollar cost average out all of my purchases, I'm still up. So very excited about this and their future and some of the things that they're building. It's unfortunate that we didn't get in at like those super low prices, but we're still here in the early stages, still here in the beginning, especially when you compare it to projects like Bored Ape Yacht Club or CryptoPunks. Those are selling for, 50 ETH, 100 ETH, absolutely crazy stuff. So we'll see what happens. And there you have it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Also, next time you watch me, I'll have a new iPhone. Picking that up today, so videos might be a little different. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.